Oh, thank you, Arnold. I can manage that. But I still don't see why you couldn't wait a couple of weeks.
Oh, sweetheart, don't bother to see us off. It could be ages.
케냐 주재 영국 대사관 소속 외교관 저스틴.
It's too hot to be standing around.
If you're sure.
그의 곁엔 남편과는 정반대의 열정으로 세상을 살아가는 아내 테사가 있었는데 의료봉사 활동을 위해 테사는 남편의 만류에도 로키로 향하고
See you in a couple of days.
그리고 그것이 저스틴이 본 아내의 마지막 모습이었죠.
We're getting reports of a white woman, black driver, found early this morning, southern end of Lake Turkana, dead, killed it seems.
이어지는 말은 저스틴을 또 한 번 깊은 절망 속에 몰아넣습니다.
Seems they hired a car and driver, Lockie, and then headed east. They spent the night at Lodwar. They shared a room. Justin, dead black. Isn't Arnold Bloom? Most terribly sorry.
Diplomacy, therefore, as we've demonstrated,
과거 런던의 한 강의실.
and pointing nations the safest way through country fraught with peril. And that's it.
저스틴의 지루한 강의가 마무리되려던 그때
Excuse me? Excuse me?
Yes.
Excuse me? So
Yeah,
I've just
sorry.
got one question. I just wondered, whose map is Britain using when it completely ignores the United Nations and decides to invade Iraq? Or do you think it's more diplomatic to bend the will of a superpower and politely take part in Vietnam, the sequel?
대사의 날카로운 질문에 분위기는 금세 술렁이기 시작하고
When peaceful means are exhausted,
Exhausted? Mr. Quayle, they're not exactly exhausted, are they? I mean, they are just lying in the way of the tanks. Let's face it, we've taken 60 years to build up this international organization called the United Nations, which is meant to avoid wars, and now we just blow it up because our car's running out of petrol.
For Christ's sake.
Hold on a minute, let's
I
see
think
what he
that
said.
the questioner is making a valid point, and that a nation's foreign policy should not be determined by narrow commercial interests.
그녀는 더욱 거칠게 저스틴을 몰아세우는데
And why we're killing, thousands of innocent people just for some barrels of oil and a photo opportunity on the White House lawn.
이성을 되찾은 태사는 그제서야 자신이 무례했음을 깨닫죠.
Are you all right?
Yes, thanks.
You were courageous.
미소로 태사를 다독이는 저스틴.
And thanks very much. You tried to protect me.
Very feebly.
No, you weren't feeble.
Anyway, it was a very dull lecture.
It was a dull lecture, but even so, I shouldn't have.
Look, can I buy you a coffee, or?
I owe you a drink.
All right, you can buy me a drink.
이 만남을 계기로 두 사람은 가까워지고
Oh, do come in. Yeah, please. Of course. Yeah.
Thank you. You lead the way.
Go ahead. Take a look.
All right.
자연스레 연인으로 발전하죠.
Mr. Quill, please.
그는 무거운 마음을 안고 시신 확인에 나서는데
Please. You know this lady, sir?
Yes, I do. It's my wife, Tessa.
어딘가 긴장된 표정으로 연인을 찾는 태사.
Tessa. My God, what a surprise. How'd you get in?
Take me to Africa with you.
예상치 못한 부탁에 저스틴은 당혹감을 감추지 못하죠.
What capacity should I take you to Africa?
I don't mind. You can take me as your mistress, lover, wife.
Well, we hardly know one another. We don't.
You can learn me.
Then
태사는 그렇게 저스틴의 아내가 되어 케냐에서의 새로운 삶을 맞이합니다.
Oh, that's so
It's a better gift.
Oh, thank you, Santi Sana.
만사계몽으로 빈민촌 이곳저곳을 누비는 태사. 이곳의 현실은 생각보다 훨씬 더 열악했는데요. 약 하나를 구하지 못해 사람들은 안타깝게 목숨을 잃어가고 있었죠.
The government clinic didn't have any. Again.
Jomo,
Yes, ma'am, it is.
have you had your test yet?
No,
Jomo, if she's HIV positive, chances are you are too.
look, Dr. Bloom, I really must go.
태사의 곁엔 국경 없는 의사회에서 활동 중인 아놀드가 늘 함께였는데
You shouldn't be wandering around in this heat.
Arnold, stop fussing. You're as bad as Justin.
If you were my wife, I'd tie you to the bed.
And then what would you do, Doctor?
That's another story.
Tell me what you do.
Hey!
그러던 어느 날
Will you see who that's from, darling?
Sure.
그런데 태사의 친구로부터 온 메일이었죠.
What is it?
Oh, it's just junk. Some ad.
급히 메일을 삭제한 저스틴은 아놀드와 관련된 폴더를 열어보려 하지만
Fine, thank you. How are you?
평소처럼 빈민가를 돌아보던 태사는 한 가지 이상한 점을 발견하죠.
What are they carrying in those little jars?
It's probably saliva.
But that's not how you test for HIV here, is it?
They're also testing for TB.
Why?
When they test for HIV, they also test for TB free here.
Well, just for free.
이익이 되지 않는 일을 제약회사가 한다는 것이 태사는 납득하기 어려운데
No drug company does something for nothing. Is there something you're not telling me? Arnold.
이후 기다리던 예정일이 찾아오지만 부부는 안타깝게도 아이를 떠나보내게 됩니다.
Hello, Sandy.
I'm so sorry, Tessa.
It was a boy. Did Justin already tell you that this one was born healthy, though? Weren't you my beautiful, beautiful darling? His name is Baraka.
슬픔 속에서도 다른 아픈 산모를 대신해 모유를 나눠주는 태사.
Quite see.
Who the mother is? Her name is Wanza Kalulu. She's 15, and she's dying. Kyoko's 12. Justin, my darling, could you please go and get me a fresh bottle of water?
잠시 머뭇대던 태사는 저스틴의 상사 샌디에게 은밀한 부탁을 건네죠.
If I tell you that girl over there is being murdered, would you believe me?
Tessa, you're tired. You're feverish.
No, I'm not. No, we haven't got all of the evidence yet, but when we get it, if I bring it to you, will you actually do something for once?
What you need is rest.
You know what I'm talking about are coincidences.
샌디는 상관없는 일에 끼어들지 말 것을 조언하죠.
Concern you. You're embarrassing the High Commission. You don't do Justin's career any good.
Justin doesn't know what I do.
That doesn't surprise me.
Sandy, you've got to promise me that you're going to act on what we tell you.
We?
Me and Arnold.
위태롭던 어린 산모는 결국 숨을 거두고
You see, she's dead. What did you get? It doesn't matter. Dr. Lobia, you have got to stop testing on patients with HIV. Look at me.
I have to go.
소녀의 동생 키요코는 집을 향해 다시 먼길을 가야만 하죠.
Justin, stop the car.
Why?
Stop,
What is it?
stop.
Tessa.
It's 40 kilometers to Maluri.
밤새 걸어야만 겨우 도착할 수 있는 거리였죠.
We can't involve ourselves in their lives, Tess.
Why?
There are millions of people. They all need help. It's what the agencies are here for.
Yeah, but these are 3 people that we can help.
Please. I have to get you home.
저스틴이 화초를 가꾸며 평화로운 일상을 즐기는 동안 대사는 남몰래 분주히 움직이고 있었는데
Wherever there are drug companies testing their drugs on people who they think are expendable, you'll find organizations like ours trying to fight back. Of course, the problem is that they have millions to spend on PR while we work with volunteers and a few donated computers.
Hi, Margaret. Sorry, more questions. Tessa never sleeps.
Always time for you, Tessa.
정신없이 일에 몰두하는 시간 속에서 둘의 관계는 자연스레 멀어지고 맙니다.
Whatever it is that you and Arnold are doing, I'd like it to stop.
Who have you been talking to?
No one. These are my concerns, all right? I'm thinking of your health.
No. No, you're not. They've asked you to rein me in and you're doing it.
태사는 깊은 불쾌감을 드러내며 돌아서 버리죠.
Talking about? I hope you know me better than that. Your life is your own. That was always our agreement.
No. The agreement was that my work was going to be my own. That's what makes me who I am. I mean, if you stop me from doing my work, then I'm nothing. I'm just nobody.
I'm not trying to stop you doing anything. Please.
그로부터 며칠 후 샌디를 찾아간 태사.
Having trouble with 3B, Sandy?
Kenny being Kenny.
Oh, nothing to do with my report then.
Oh, he's just ranting.
Oh, Sandy, you promised me you were going to do something.
I sent your report to London.
부탁대로 영국 외교부 아프리카 담당인 버나드에게 보고서를 전했다는 것이었는데요.
There was no official response.
What was there then?
Well, just a personal letter, that's all.
무슨 이유에선지 그는 버나드에게서 온 편지를 철저히 숨기려 하죠.
That's the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard. I sent him an official document. I'm going to have to call Pellegrin and ask him.
No, don't do that, Tessa.
Why?
It's serious.
You know me well enough to know that I'm not going to take no for an answer. Come on.
I'm supposed to keep an eye on you.
What?
Report where you are, what you're doing. This is something that you should not pursue. I say that as a friend who cares deeply for you.
하지만 태사는 조금도 물러설 생각이 없었고
Sandy, what do you think of me?
I think you're beautiful.
Do you? You can have me if you show me the letter.
평소 태사를 남몰래 흠모해온 샌디는 그녀의 제안을 결국 뿌리치지 못하죠.
When?
When I get back from Lucky.
서랍 속에 숨겨두었던 버나드의 편지를 건네는 샌디. 이후 의료봉사를 가겠다며 아놀드와 함께 로키로 향했던 태사가 싸늘한 시신으로 돌아온 것이었습니다.
My sweetheart.
See you in a couple of days.
Police were here, Bon.
When?
This morning. They took away Mama Tessa's things.
경찰들은 조사를 이유로 태사의 컴퓨터와 모든 문서를 가져가 버렸죠.
Just didn't want to touch anything so that you can come and see for yourself what they did.
Hey, thank you, Mustafa.
아내가 숨겨둔 것으로 보이는 상자 속엔 두 사람의 결혼 사진과 함께 정체를 알 수 없는 신약 포장 상자가 들어있었는데 안쪽엔 얼마 전 병원에서 사망한 어린 산모의 이름이 적혀 있었죠. 그리고 편지는 샌디가 태사에게 보낸 것이었습니다.
Darling Tessa, you have hurt me more than you know. Trusting you to be honorable, I afforded you against all the rules, an opportunity that you have abused in the worst way. I beg you, for the sake of my career, to return what you took. If you will not, then at least save what is left of me by chucking in your ridiculous sham of a marriage.
그 시각 태사가 빼돌린 버나드의 편지를 다급히 찾는 샌디.
I love you. I love you. And I love you. Sandy.
I'm sorry to have been so long, Sandy.
저스틴은 침착하게 상황을 지켜보려 하죠.
What's in that?
Oh, her will, amongst other things.
Darling Tessa.
생전의 바람대로 태사는 아프리카 땅에 잠들고 병원에서 보았던 키요코가 마지막 인사를 위해 찾아오죠.
Wanza's brother, Justin. You bought a card for Tessa. You walked here. Did you walk? Thank you.
그런데 태사의 방에서 보았던 것과 같은 포장 상자였죠. 그는 평소 아내가 신뢰하던 동료이자 친구를 찾아가는데
I'm afraid I wanted to ask you a question. Rather a delicate question. Well, maybe it's indelicate.
Anything.
What do you think that Arnold and Tessa were doing at Lake Turkana?
Oh, I see.
You know, they did spend enough time together to give everyone the impression that they were...
초조한 저스틴의 질문에 그녀는 사진 한 장을 내밉니다.
Who's this?
It's Claude. Arnold's boyfriend.
테사를 향한 의심은 완전히 빗나갔죠.
It's illegal here. You don't shout about it.
She could have told me.
Perhaps she didn't think you needed to know.
저스틴은 신약 포장 상자에 적혀 있던 환자의 사망에 대해 알아보고자 다시 병원을 찾지만
But I have no one, Sakilulu. Are you sure that is the right name?
무슨 일인지 소녀의 기록은 병원 어디에도 남아 있지 않았죠.
And he was there when she died. Perhaps he conducted the post-mortem. Maybe you have a record of the post-mortem.
If I have no patient's record, how can I have a postmortem record?
저스틴은 동생인 키요코를 무작정 찾아 나서고
Mr. Diatafadali. He helped my wife, and I'm trying to find him. I think he lives here, but I have no idea where he is. Mr. Diatafadali.
마을을 한참 헤매던 저스틴은 마침내 아이를 찾아내는데
Is this the clinic where Wanza was treated?
그때 한 남자가 저스틴에게 다가오죠.
Can I help you?
Why was that lady turned away?
She refuses treatment.
But she seemed to want to have treatment.
She's a TB patient who discontinued her treatment. Her card was cancelled.
So isn't that all the more reason to inoculate her child?
This is diphtheria vaccine. What is your business here, please?
Excuse me, may I see your card, Kyoko? And what does IC mean?
It means informed consent. It means they consented to treatment and have family medical entitlement.
And that treatment is Dipraxa.
약을 거부하면 의료 혜택을 받을 수 없는 구조 속에서 사람들은 아무것도 모른 채 신약 실험의 도구가 되어버린 것이죠.
Mr. Quill?
Yes?
Will you please come with us?
케냐 경찰은 아무런 설명도 없이 저스틴을 연행하고
Why is the child being questioned?
It's okay.
Why did you come to talk to this boy?
He attended my wife's funeral, so I came to thank him.
For a diplomat, you're not a very good liar.
그들은 테사와 아놀드 사이를 의심한 저스틴이 청부업자를 통해 아내를 살해했을 거라 몰아갑니다.
Right, help us help you.
I'm sorry, could you explain?
Chai, kidogo, chai. You give us something small. Kurula say we didn't find you. Unaelewa?
그때 소식을 듣고 이곳을 찾은 샌디.
My name is Woodrow, acting head of mission for Her Majesty's government. This is Detective Inspector Deasy of Scotland Yard. If you have any questions, ask them of him. Is that clear? You've been mistreated.
No. The boy Kyoko who I came to see, what have you done with him?
He ran away.
I hope nothing's happened to him.
사건은 아놀드의 범행으로 종결되는 듯한 분위기였죠.
Do you think that he was her lover?
I'm afraid that's looking likely too.
What were they doing up at Lake Turkana?
Romantic setting? Sorry to have to say it, old chap.
But why suspect Bloom then? I mean, there may have been others. Other lovers. If she was an unfaithful wife, why stop at Arnold?
I wouldn't listen to rumor. Unless you've evidence.
다이크락사에 숨겨진 진실을 찾고자 저스틴은 조심스럽게 움직이는데
What makes you think I know?
Because they trusted you.
잠시 망설이던 그녀는
All I know is that Tessa gave Sandy a copy.
Why him?
Sandy was a compromise, semi-official. Arnold wanted to go public with it, Tessa wouldn't.
Because
Because she wanted to do it your way, through channels. If it threatens British commercial interests, it would have been shredded.
she could have brought it to me.
She didn't want to get you involved,
Why?
to protect you.
Do you know if she showed the report to anyone else?
Kenny Curtis.
제약회사 3B의 대표 커티스 경.
And I have a cash flow problem. What are you looking to do about it?
We never promised to protect you commercially.
You protect me, that's fucking rich. A word or two from me in a right black ear, a couple of cases of Krug, and you'll be on the next plane back home.
커티스는 영국 고위 인사들에게 막대한 뒷돈을 흘려보내고 있었죠.
Don't even think about bullying me, old man. I'm not a member of your gentleman's club. I don't have to play by the rules.
그때 그를 만나기 위해 저스틴이 이곳을 찾습니다.
I believe you knew my wife, Tessa.
Justin, didn't know you remember here.
I met at one of your parties.
She came to see you, I think. She gave you a report that she had written on Dipraxa.
I'm sorry about your loss. But I don't remember being given any report.
Oh, that's odd, because she noted it in her diary.
Then you know more than I do.
Didn't know Tessa kept a diary.
Well, I think Tessa was right then, Tim. You don't know everything.
I know where you're going on Tuesday.
그렇게 저스틴은 곧 영국으로 복귀하게 되는데
We've had some forgeries on the diplomatics. I'm going to have to keep this, I'm afraid, sir.
What?
The SCO will issue you with a new one in a few days.
Well, if I want to travel with it?
Just 2-3 days at the most.
Are you saying that's a forgery?
Does happen, sir, even on diplomatics.
But that was issued to me a year ago by the diplomatic
Sir, the
office.
SCO will take care of that.
그는 그 길로 영국 외교부 아프리카 담당이자 상사인 버나드 경을 만나러 갑니다.
Let me take that for you.
I'd rather keep it with me.
Club rule, Justin. I'm sorry. No luggage in the dining room. Could you just tuck it into your
Certainly, sir. Thank
cubbyhole,
you, sir.
please, Jimmy? Thank you. My dear fellow, what a dreadful time you've had. Welcome home.
위로를 건네던 버나드의 말은 자연스레 사건의 범인으로 지목된 아놀드 이야기로 이어지죠.
Thought we'd get that bit of unpleasantness dealt with first. Arnold Bloom is gay, Bernard. Gay men don't rape their women friends.
Do you no good to go poking around under rocks, Justin? Some very nasty things live under rocks, especially in foreign gardens.
아내의 보고서가 존재한다는 사실을 알고 있는 그를 향해 단도직입적으로 묻는 저스틴.
She expected some action to be taken, but none was it?
She tell you about the letter, or did you find it among her things? Tucked into her diary, perhaps?
What letter is that, Bernard?
Ramblings of an aging fart. Senility setting in early. Alas. Naughty of her to take it, though. Very naughty indeed.
Yes, I found that.
Be grateful to have it back. Written under stress, you understand. Regrettable things said. Wouldn't want it falling into the wrong hands.
Sorry, Bernard. Are we talking about the same letter?
저스틴은 그가 아내의 보고서를 확인한 뒤 샌디에게 편지를 보냈음을 알게 됩니다. 도움이 필요했던 저스틴은 테사의 친척이자 평소 그녀를 물심양면 도왔던 아더를 찾아가는데
KDH make Dipraxa. 3B's tested. It's a marriage of convenience, of course. Both in it for what they can get out of it.
But that phrase about the marriage, is that Tessa's phrase or yours?
Oh, hers. Hers.
테사가 생전 서버에 올려놓았던 자료들을 보여주는 아더.
What's Hippo?
Oh, I know that one. German Farmer Watch. Keep an eye on what the drug companies are up to.
Copy that.
이어 나온 것은 KDH의 투자 유치 영상이었는데
In the 21st century, multi-resistant TB will kill 1 in 3. But now there is hope.
It's huge, isn't it?
KDH is developing a revolutionary treatment for TB sufferers. We call it Dipraxa. You will call it life.
새로운 결핵약의 임상 시험 비용을 아끼기 위해 아프리카 사람들을 실험 대상으로 삼은 KDH와 3B.
Peregrine. Why is he there?
저스틴은 테사가 남긴 자료들을 살펴보며 그녀가 얼마나 외롭고 힘겨운 싸움을 해왔는지 깨닫습니다.
Moral dilemma, Ham. And the person that I most want to tell can't be told. I had a creepy love letter today.
It's not your fault.
From a 5-star.
You've got to move on, huh?
아도에게 보낸 테사의 편지에는 남편에 대한 죄책감과 미안함이 고스란히 담겨 있었죠.
And worse, I made him a vile promise that I have absolutely no intention of keeping. I really hate to think how it would hurt Justin if he knew. I violated his code, Ham, in the most cynical way. In the end, that justifies my means. I need this creep to help me blackmail Her Majesty's government. Please tell me that Justin would understand if he knew.
태사가 짊어진 고통의 무게를 비로소 이해하게 되는 저스틴. 저스틴은 아내가 이루고자 했던 일을 마음에 새기며 그 뜻을 완성하기 위해 움직입니다.
It seems our erstwhile colleague has disappeared. 4 days ago, he lunched in London with the Pellegrin, who describes him as overwrought. The poor man seems to have convinced himself there was a conspiracy against Tessa, in which we are all complicit.
다음으로 저스틴이 찾아간 이는 히포 소속으로 태사와 정보를 주고받던 버깃이었는데
Put into the language that stock exchanges all over the world understand. If the TB market performs as forecast, billions and billions of dollars are waiting to be earned. And the boy to earn them is Dypraxa.
Dypraxa, does it cure TB?
Yes, it cures. But it can also kill, you know, because they haven't got the formula right yet.
다이프락사는 부작용이 많았고 시간과 비용을 아끼기 위해 케냐인들이 희생된 것이었죠.
2 years, millions of dollars, and other companies would have time to produce their own cure. Okay, next question.
Who is Lawbeer?
He invented Dypraxa. When patients started to die, Lawbeer jumped clear.
Is that why Tessa went to Lokachogia? Is that where Lawbeer is?
그 순간 수상해 보이는 사람들이 나타나죠.
Birgit? Where?
Go back to Africa. Lawbeer's still there.
그런데 그때 괴한들이 저스틴을 습격해 옵니다. 한편 사라졌던 아놀드의 시신이 발견되고
Suffice to say, the poor fellow seems to have been tortured to death on the same day Tessa was killed.
So what's the new theory? That he tortured himself to death? That'd save you looking for anyone else, wouldn't it?
Moving on.
위조 여권을 이용해 다시 케냐로 돌아가는 저스틴.
Welcome to Kenya, Mr. Black.
Thank you.
그는 샌디를 찾아가 진실을 묻습니다.
3Bs, KDH, Dypraxa. What's the story on that axis of evil? KDH is Swiss-Canadian. So why are we involved?
Curtis was one of us. He's British. Christ, Justin, stop bleeding for bloody Africa and show some loyalty. That plant KDH built in Wales could have gone to France. 1,500 jobs in a depressed region.
샌디는 오히려 그 일에 감사해야 한다고 말하죠.
And Tessa wanted what?
Pressure on Kenny. Stop the tests. Redesign the bloody drug. 3 years delay. Millions of dollars. We're not killing people who wouldn't be dead otherwise. Look at the death rate. Not that anybody's counting.
태사가 위협이 된다고 판단한 버나드의 결정으로 그녀는 안타까운 죽음을 맞게 된 것이죠.
They wanted to know what she was up to. I'm the one who told them she was going to Lucky.
Who did you tell?
Pellegrin.
저스틴은 다이프락사를 개발한 로비에를 찾아 남수단으로 향하는데 그때 누군가 저스틴의 뒤를 바짝 쫓아옵니다. 놀랍게도 그의 정체는 함께 외교부에서 일해온 동료 도나휴였죠.
You won't find what you're looking for in Lockie. There's something else we have in common, you and I. We'll both be dead by Christmas. There's a contract out on you. Same people did for Tessa, I shouldn't wonder. Mine's cancer.
조직에 충성하던 그였지만 마지막 순간만큼은 양심을 따를 수밖에 없었죠.
Boss gets wind of something, calls in his head of security, who talks to someone, who talks to a friend of someone. Finishes up with an answering machine in a rented office, a couple of sensitive gentlemen in a blue pickup truck. You'll never know who ordered the hit. I can get you out of Kenya. It's one of the few things we still do well. Drop it now and it's over. I'll make sure word gets to the right people. Go home.
Tessa was my home.
도나휴는 떠나려는 저스틴에게 마지막 선물을 합니다.
In case you meet any bandits.
UN 구호기를 타고 남수단으로 이동하는 저스틴.
Journalist, I'm looking for Dr. Brand. Dr. Brand, yeah, she's here. I'm coming over from the village.
저스틴은 기자를 사칭해 로비에게 접근하는데
Our treatment center. Pretty crude, isn't it? Well, I've seen hospitals little better in Nairobi. So have I. 3 medicines, Mr. Black. Most of them well beyond their sell-by date. The drug companies donate them. It's a tax break for them. Disposable drugs for disposable patients.
제약회사를 향한 그의 거침없는 비난에 저스틴은 본격적인 이야기를 꺼내놓죠.
In the big pharmaceutical companies, African guinea pigs, cheap trials for unsound drugs, uninformed consent extorted with threats against children, payoffs, cover-ups,
You're in Nairobi.
unmarked graves,
I knew I'd seen you somewhere
murder.
before. You're the husband.
That's right.
로비에는 테사가 작성한 보고서의 존재를 알고 있었는데
This report, 16 pages of inspired guesswork. I was supposed to provide the missing clinical data, testify on tape.
Did you?
This could be a raid.
그 순간 도적대가 약탈을 위해 마을로 들이닥치고
I think maybe we should leave.
Did you testify on tape?
She was a very persuasive woman, your wife, Mr. Quayle. And now I do not have the tape. They took the tape.
But you kept a copy of the report, yes?
Yes, I did. You're welcome to it.
What were Tessa and Bloom doing at Lake Turkana?
Are you crazy? We've got to get out of here, man. I mean, these people, they kill anybody.
저스틴은 원하는 걸 얻기 전까지 그를 놓아주지 않죠.
There was something else. There was a letter. You're a lunatic. You know what you're doing. You're killing us both.
We'll take our chances with them.
그때 홀로 남은 아이를 발견하는 저스틴.
Run! Run!
Hey! Hurry on up! Where have you guys been?
Sorry about that, Jonah.
그런데
I'm sorry, I can't take the girl.
I'm not leaving her.
We're only allowed to evacuate aid workers.
To hell with what's allowed. How much do you want for her? Look, that's $800.
Don't embarrass me. You can't buy this. The rules are made for good reasons.
This is a child's life. There are no rules to cover that.
Look, there are thousands of them out there. I can't make an exception for this one child.
This is one we can help. Here.
결국 아이는 비행기에서 스스로 내리고 말죠.
A book.
Listen, that's the way it is here. Keep your money. Strap yourself in and let's go.
What will happen to her?
She might make it to a refugee camp. If she's lucky.
로비에는 테사가 맡겨두었던 버나드의 편지를 저스틴에게 건넵니다.
Your wife would have made that tape public, Mr. Quayle, with my voice on it. That letter was my insurance policy. Crick's going to know that you were up here. Got to be very interested to know where you're headed.
저스틴은 로키 대신 테사가 죽음을 맞았던 투칸하우스로 향하려 하는데
I have one more favor to ask you. I'm sorry. Do you think you could post that envelope for me? It's quite urgent. Ah, Rome.
If we have lost in Justin and Tessa 2 valued friends, the diplomatic community has lost a true gentleman. Courteous, self-effacing, large of heart. That he chose to take his own life in the same remote spot where Tessa met her tragic death.
런던에서 열린 저스틴의 장례식.
I have chosen a text I know Justin and Tessa would approve. It's an epistle, non-canonical. My dear Sandy, your naivety is beyond belief.
저스틴이 세상을 떠나기 전 보내온 버나드의 편지였죠.
Knowing our arrangements with KDH and 3Bs, you send me this half-baked report by some bleeding heart diplomatic wife and her black lover and ask me to take action.
편지는 테사를 향한 비방과 사건 은폐에 대한 지시로 가득했고
I want to know what she does, where she goes, whom she meets. The issue here is deniability. If nobody told us Dipraxa was causing death, we can't be held responsible. But, my dear Sandy, should it ever become known that we closed our eyes to the deaths, none of us would survive the scandal. I still have great hopes of you, my love to Gloria. Yours sincerely, Bernard.
온 세상에 민낯이 공개된 버나드.
Bizarre sort of suicide. His body bore no fewer than 8 bullet wounds from 3 different guns, none of which was the one found in his hand. So who has got away with murder? Not, of course, the highly respectable firm of KDH Pharmaceutical, which has enjoyed record profits this quarter, and has now licensed Zimbamed of Harare to continue testing Dipraxa in Africa. No, there are no murders in Africa. Only regrettable deaths. And from those deaths, we derive the benefits of civilization. Benefits we can afford so easily. Because those lives were bought so cheaply.
다가오는 무리를 바라보며 저스틴은 죽음이 가까워왔음을 직감하고 긴 싸움에 홀로 지쳤을 아내의 품으로 돌아갈 준비를 합니다.
Mr. Quayle,